Hey everybody, thanks for checking me out. I'm gonna do a video today. I want to show you this little Toro single stage snowblower that I got. Really a nice piece of equipment. Get a little bit of snow like we got today in Buffalo. We didn't get as much snow as they said, but it's still early. I'll keep you guys informed and posted. Everybody, thank you for watching the video. Let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that this baby starts. So there you have it. That's a nice little Toro single stage power. I'll tell you the model number on it. It's about 2 years old. Power Clear 518ZR. Nice little machine. It stalled out twice in the beginning. It was a little cold. Anybody got any comments or questions, hit me up in the chat. I'll be more than happy to answer for you. Thank you guys. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.